Hello friends, welcome to our channel Inner Creativity where I will show you some amazing craft ideas, DIY ideas and we will practice varieties of art, paintings, drawings, etc. like oil paintings and ink paintings. We will also learn mandala art which is geometrical configuration of symbols. You can see some examples of mandala art. We will make homemade materials like homemade paints, homemade printed paper and glitter pens. We will make best out of waste. I will also show you some notebook decorative ideas and back to school type videos. And if you want some easy trick of biodiagrams, then tell me in comment box. I will definitely make it for you. I am Jagriti Tiwari. Stay tuned with me for art and crafts updates. Thank you very much.